Hello everyone. I hope you, your loved ones and your colleagues are in good health and staying safe right now. And if you're working from home, hope the playoff beard is coming along nicely. I'm Ian McDonald with Trader Corporation, and I want to let you know that later on this week I'm going to be sitting down virtually with some of the finest minds in our business when it comes to dealership operations, marketing, digital retailing and sales training. We're going to be covering all the things you need to be thinking about during this difficult time here in Canada, from industry outlook to operational changes that you can make right now to make a difference within the dealership. But I wanted to invite you to ask us anything related to the current challenges that we're facing. We're going to be releasing a video of our chat in the next few days. So in the meantime, please leave your questions in the comments section below, and I'll do my best to get the answers you're looking for from our experts. So until we speak again, take care, stay safe, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks.